Hello, this is Richard Wilson, CEO of the Family Office Club, coming to you from London today. We're hosting a Family Office Investor Summit. I wanted to talk about the three types of investor relations professionals that I run into. They see that I run the Family Office Club, that we have constant investors on stage at our events, that we attract investors through us through our thought leadership, through our Family Office podcast, through the books we publish, through just getting referrals over time and running the Family Office Club. And the first thing we see is that some people say, oh, well, what 5 investors can you refer to me for my self-storage investment? Or what 10 investors could you refer for my private equity fund? And that's the first level I see. They say, oh, well, maybe he's got 5 leads for me. That's stage one. The second stage is really when someone says, hey, well, it's not just about him giving me 5 leads. How did he create a set of skills and actions that attract investors to him and get him to close contracts with him? So the second stage is really asking for skills and maneuvers and how to execute and how to raise capital and become more specialized as a capital raiser. And the third level is how to create a system where you're creating new investor relationships all the time, where you maximize your attractiveness to potential investors, where you're attracting targeted investors who want the thing that you're providing in the marketplace, so that you routinely and all of the time are making new potential investor connections. And to summarize here, the first level is someone just coming to me and asking, hey, do you have 5 investor leads? The second level is saying, what skills, what actions, what execution each month do I need to raise capital? And the third level is really, how do I create a system for raising capital? This is why when I wrote my book on capital raising, which you can get for free at capitalraising.com, I talk about the 5-step system for attracting investors. Because after doing this for 12 years, I found that the system is where the value is, not in just the actions, not referring 5 investors. It's the same as teaching someone how to fish versus giving someone some tips on fishing versus just giving 5 fish to somebody. You have to create the systems, and that's the most elevated, most elegant, most powerful thing you can do when learning how to attract investors and work with family offices. This is Richard Wilson, coming from London. Hope you enjoyed this short video, and please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel under Family Office Club or at familyoffices.com or capitalraising.com. Thank you.